Hey everyone, it's your girl Jenny, and today is April 25th, aka my birthday. If you can't already tell from the thumbnail and or title, I am going to be doing an unboxing of my new iPad, and I'm so excited. This was actually a gift from my boyfriend Ricky, so big shout out to him. So we had it delivered. So I have a couple of boxes I need to open, but we're gonna start with the main one. Guys, okay. You just take out all this extra padding. Guys, alright guys, so this is the iPad. I ended up getting, I believe it's the gold one. Yeah, the iPad Air Gold, just in case you guys are wondering. I was trying to decide between this one and the Pro, but I have a MacBook Pro that does all the heavy duty stuff, so honestly all I needed was an iPad. Look, honey.
It looks so, it's only in the box, but it looks so good already.
Yeah.
Do you want to wait to wrap it?
No, not anymore.
Okay.
This is the iPad Air, I think whatever year, I don't know. Woo, alright, got the box open. Okay, so in here we have the iPad, and like I said, it is the gold iPad, and then of course it comes with the charging cord and also some instructions, stickers, whatnot. And then, what is this, the little power box thing, whatever, the thing that you put into the outlet of the wall. So that's everything that comes in this box. Just gonna go ahead and, ooh, look at that, y'all. Ooh, that's so pretty. All right, so we have the power button here. We have a headphone jack. Then we have this if you use the keyboard with it, volume buttons, and then the home button. So we're gonna go ahead and power this baby on. Ooh, fancy schmancy. Hopefully you guys can see that a little bit more. So like I said, came with the cord and the little power box. Don't really know what it's called. Ooh, it says hello. Press home to open. Obviously I want English, United States, quick start, set up manually, get the Wi-Fi. I think that's our password. Continue. Okay. Continue. Place your finger. Adjust your grip. Continue. Okay, cool. Create a passcode. I'm glad it had us redo it because I low-key didn't know if I did it right. Don't transfer apps and data. Low-key, I want to start fresh. So yeah, agree. Okay, so now that this is doing its thing, I'm gonna go ahead and open up one of my other packages, which I'm really excited for. So I ended up getting the Apple Pencil, and this is the first generation one. And I'm really excited to be opening this up. Before I continue, it's having me do the whole Siri thing. So continue. Hey Siri. Continue. Dark mode, obviously. Woo! Okay, so this is all set up. So before I go further, I'm gonna go ahead and open this pencil up. Alright, so I'm gonna pull it out. Oop, I should probably get that out of the way. So designed by Apple in California. Okay, so this right here is the Apple Pencil. So you just gotta take off this film and just always double check to see that the nib is okay. And then over here, since this is the first generation, you have this, the little charger port. There's instructions and everything. So basically right here, like I said, you can take this part and plug it into the iPad itself, or you can use this adapter. I'm assuming you put this one on this end, and then the other end you put in your charger. So you can use this little adapter, power adapter, or like I said, plug it into the iPad. And then I believe this is an extra nib, so I have to make sure I don't lose this. So to set it up, you want to go to Bluetooth, and it's going to be discovering devices right now. I think I have to plug it in to pair it in, so let's see. Okay, so we're going to hit pair. Okay, so now we have the pencil paired. You can start using it. So in order to pair your pencil, you have to connect it into the iPad. Okay, so I'm gonna start downloading apps and whatnot, but I'm gonna go ahead and continue with another thing. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on. So I ended up getting this 3-pack of the iPad screen protectors. I really want to get the paper-like screen protectors, but for now these are gonna do. I also ended up getting this off of Amazon, and it is a case for the iPad. So I don't know if you can tell, but it's like this, it was supposed to be like a rose gold, but it's more of just like a rosy pink color, and it's got glitter, and then the back is just a frosted pink, and then there is a space for the pencil, so it's something I'm really excited about. You know, you just, and then you're good to go. So yeah guys, that is the my unboxing of the iPad Air. So this is what it looks like in its case, and like I said, I have the Apple Pencil with it, so I'm really excited. I'll probably go through and like do more things, and I'll probably have some like further videos for you guys. So yeah, who knows when that'll be, but I'm really excited. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. All right, bye. And this is my first video at 23, so peace.